Aloha everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest stories shaking up our islands, the controversy around HGTV's Renovation Aloha. The show's hosts, Tristyn and Kamohai Kalama, are under fire after Civil Beat uncovered some shocking details about unpermitted work on their projects. I'll put the link in the article in the description below. Let's break it all down. The Civil Beat investigation revealed that the Kalamas completed significant renovations without proper permits. We're talking about combining structures, lifting foundations, adding a new roof, and completely redoing kitchens and bathrooms. But the permit they submitted only mentioned new windows and a carport and valued the work at $80,000 instead of the reported $425,000. That's a huge red flag. Sure, the transformation looked incredible on TV, but without proper permits, how safe is it for the current homeowners? Beyond the aesthetics, the lack of oversight raises concerns about structural integrity and the long-term viability of the property. Imagine moving into your dream home only to discover hidden mold or foundation issues that could cost tens of thousands of dollars to fix. These are the risks buyers take when permits are ignored. The backlash has been swift. Honolulu's DPP is now revoking the permit, and many residents feel betrayed, especially because Renovation Aloha was supposed to showcase local pride and craftsmanship. One Hawaiian resident said, "We don't need that hewa. We don't need that aole pono, or wrongdoing." For many locals, this controversy isn't just about construction violations. It's about cultural responsibility and the ethical standards we expect from those representing our islands on a global stage. On the flip side, some are blaming the city's slow permitting process. They argue that the Kalama's actions highlight just how broken the system is. Do you think the delays justify cutting corners? Let me know in the comments. This debate brings up an important question. How can we improve the permitting process so it's efficient while still maintaining safety and accountability? Perhaps this controversy can spark a larger conversation about reforming outdated bureaucratic systems. I believe in following the rules, especially when it comes to ensuring safety and transparency in real estate. However, I can also see why the Kalamas might have taken the shortcuts they did. As flippers, they are driven by profit, and every day that goes by eating into their margin, especially with hard money loans that tend to have very high interest rates. That pressure can be immense. But even with those challenges, it doesn't make what they did right. Cutting corners not only compromises safety, but also erodes trust within the community. That said, I do agree with many homeowners who try to work with the DPP. It's a severely broken system that needs overhauling so that permits can get approved faster. If the system worked more efficiently, flippers and developers wouldn't feel the need to bypass the rules to stay on schedule. A modernized permitting process could help avoid situations like this while maintaining safety standards and fairness for all parties involved. This story is a stark reminder of why permitting matters. Without it, buyers face huge risks, from mold and structural issues to fines and even potential demolition. Did you know that even minor work has to match official plans when applying for future permits? If not, owners could be forced to redo the work out of their own pocket. And for those of you considering flipping homes, be aware that even well-intentioned shortcuts can lead to long-term headaches for buyers and sellers alike. Councilman Matt Wire said it best. HGTV has deep pockets and should make this right. After all, they're profiting off our island's trust and culture. I'd love to see HGTV take accountability and work to resolve these issues, not just for the buyers, but to rebuild trust with viewers and the community. For anyone looking to buy, especially flipped homes, here's my advice. Check the permits. If the seller can't provide them, walk away. Verify the contractors. Licensed professionals will have a track record. Ask for warranties. If they won't stand by the work, that's a major red flag. Get a professional home inspection. Don't rely solely on what's visible. Hidden issues like mold or faulty wiring can be costly. Consult an experienced real estate agent. A knowledgeable agent can help you navigate these challenges and spot red flags before it's too late. Ask about prior violations. Research if the property or developer has a history of unpermitted work or code violations. Understand local regulations. Knowledge is power. Familiarize yourself with local building codes and permitting requirements to avoid surprises. I always tell my clients to do their homework because it's better to spend a little more time upfront than face costly surprises later. Real estate is one of the biggest investments you'll make, and due diligence is key to protecting your hard-earned money. For sellers or flippers out there, remember that transparency builds trust. Cutting corners might save time, but it can destroy reputations and lead to legal consequences. Do it the right way, and you'll build a stronger, more sustainable business. Hawaii's real estate market is unique and deeply tied to our culture. Respecting the process is part of respecting the place. The Renovation Aloha story is far from over, and it raises important questions about accountability, transparency, and trust in real estate. This situation also highlights a need for systemic changes in permitting to make it both efficient and thorough. What's your take? Are the Kalamas at fault, or is the system broken? Let me know below. Mahalo for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this insightful. See you next time.